I know reading from the titles you might have many questions like Anuj, do you like race cars? Anuj, do you like theme parks? Anuj, you like roller coasters? And I will answer all of those questions if I can survive this roller coaster, which is world's fastest roller coaster.
The Formula Rossa. This thing here goes 240 kilometers in an hour. Can I be honest with you? I'm worried that's a little too slow for me. It's not fast enough. Hopefully they can speed it up.
Speed it up.
सर सीधा और अपना हाथ तान के बैठिए.
That was insane. Like the first part when it goes up and down, that if you can survive that part, after it's fine. So I finished my India trip today, and my flight from Ahmedabad to Abu Dhabi was at 5 a.m. in the morning. So I took the early morning flight and I haven't slept at all. As soon as I arrived in Abu Dhabi, I went to my hotel, put the bags there, grabbed breakfast and came here. So I am little exhausted, but yeah, I'm looking forward to this day. When I was in Abu Dhabi last time, I knew about Ferrari World, but I didn't visit it because I don't like to explore or visit theme parks by myself. But this time when I was planning my trip, I came to know that you can actually drive a Ferrari here. And that's the main reason I'm here. And driving a Ferrari is not always something I wanted to do. I don't have any desire to own a Ferrari. Not a big fan of racing or luxurious cars. I bought Audi in 2011. After that, somewhere along the way, I became more conscious about what I want to spend my money on, which is experiences. So I thought, while here, why not experience driving a car worth $250,000? See how that feels like. Is it worth paying that much money on this car? So here to figure those things out. But before we drive Ferrari, there is one more experience here I wanna do, which is karting academy. This is as close to real go-karting experience you can have. Let's check it out.
Your driving position is very important. Please pay attention at all times. This will help you control the kart.
Drifting these cars was so much fun. I was last on the starting line and ended up 7th, so not bad. Let's drive Ferrari.
The Ferrari Portofino. Now, the Ferrari Portofino, like I told you before, is a 2020 model, new model for you. And it's a Grand Tour category sport car. That means there are 2 seats in the front and 2 slightly smaller in the back, but we won't need them because we're only 2 of us. Beautiful open top convertible. Of course, we're gonna go without the roof. Why would we use it? 0 to 60 we can do in about 3.5 seconds, which is quite impressive. The engine that powers us is a 3.9 liter V8 twin turbocharged unit. About 600 raw horsepower, all delivered to the real wheels only. Now, top speeds over 200 miles an hour. Well, we cannot try that obviously, otherwise we'll sleep in jail. But, like I told you, acceleration we can.
Right.
Now, the transmission is a fully automatic or semi-automatic, depending on how you want to use it. Have you used pedal shifters before?
Yes.
Yes. So if you want, you can try also pedal shifters.
Okay, yeah.
There is no clutch. I mean, there is a clutch, but no clutch pedal. So if you want to shift, all you have to do is pull on the handle, and it shifts automatically.
Okay, interesting.
And carbon ceramic braking system. All the other models available currently at the market. The Monza SP1 stands outside there at the entrance.
Okay.
And only 500 pieces produced in the whole world.
Per year or like only 500?
Total.
Okay, interesting.
It's finished already production,
Which-
500 pieces only.
Which one is the most expensive?
That's the Monza.
How much?
$2.5 million.
Okay, and how much is for the Portofino?
$240,000.
Okay.
10 times as much. can start driving out. To manual later
So
on.
this both lanes, this is our way, right?
Two-way.
Yeah, this is two-way.
Yeah. This is where we're gonna come back.
But usually if it is two-way, this line should be harder, right? Like the solid line?
Not in this country, yeah.
No?
No.
So how do you know that it's like two-way or one-way?
When you enter and exit, you know it. Because there's a roundabout here. From the roundabout, you can see that there are lanes coming out. So it cannot be one way.
Right.
And on the other side where the gates are, you can also see that it's two-way.
So we going left?
Around
Like
the roundabout,
roundabout,
yeah, and then 80 is here, the speed limit. You can go a little bit faster, don't worry. Brakes, red light, brakes, yeah. Very good.
If you go above 80, what point cops give you ticket? Like 81 or?
Yeah, it's 81 here. Here's no tolerance.
No tolerance?
No. Nothing. In Dubai, there's 20 tolerance. Here is 0.
Okay. In US, yeah, you can like up to like 89, they don't give you.
But there's no camera here, so I will not bite your head off if you go a little bit faster. 81, I'll let you. Don't worry. We will be fine. Just enjoy the drive. I'll always let you know where you need to slow down a little bit, okay? Where from the US are you from?
I live in Washington, D.C., so I'm from India,
Okay.
Gujarat, but I live in Washington, D.C.
That's cool. Quick, huh?
Oh, yeah, it is.
Yeah, there's no turn on red to the right like US. So red is red. Some people don't know that.
Right.
Yeah.
In other country, I'll always stop.
Yeah, better.
That's how you drive.
Not bad, huh?
Not bad.
She's fast.
How about the roller coaster? Roller coaster is faster than this, right?
Yes, the acceleration is faster, but the top speed, this is faster.
Okay.
That can do 240 max. This can do 320.
Well, this was a great experience. I'm not sure if I want to buy it, but it was a lot of fun to drive. If you forgot to press record.
That's a problem. But I don't do that. Don't worry.